Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It is Saturday, January 21st. Late start to the vlog today. It is 20 to 2 in the afternoon. I didn't do much this morning. I cleaned up the house a little bit. Seamus mopped the floors, and I vacuumed and stuff. But I watched a new show on, I think it was on Amazon Prime. It's called The Hunter or Hunters. It's really good. That's all I did today was watch that and clean the house. So, I have 2 cakes due tomorrow. I have to decorate them. They're just over here, so. Hey guys, it is much later now. I finished decorating the cakes and then Chip and I went over to my mom and dad's. I had supper over there. Seamus was at work. It's like 20 to 11, so I'm gonna upload all the clips from today, put them on the computer and edit a little bit before I go to bed. If you've been liking the vlogs, definitely give this a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me, and we'll see you in tomorrow's vlog.